Okay, so we're gonna go on to the kitchen and the bathroom. Nice floors. This is a hall bath. That's the kitchen. And that's that dining room you saw from the living room. Let's go into the bathroom. Big heavy drawers, tile, chair rail, and the older tile. It's retro. Behind the door, we got built-ins that have just a little bit of space. And a stand-up shower. It's an octagon. This is a house. This is a big one. They don't make them like this anymore. This is in amazingly good condition, especially for the price. I got one of these coming up in Bristol, Virginia. It's a 7-bedroom historical house, and he's asking $335. It's not in the market yet, but it will be. And it's not nearly in this kind of shape or as updated. This is the kitchen. It's big.